Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to check your YouTube channel watch time. This is my YouTube Studio dashboard, and if you don't know how to land on this page, just type studio.youtube.com. After arriving at this page, just scroll down or directly click on this Earn page from this left side menu and scroll down, and below eligibility you will see your current watch hours. If you want to know more details about this current watch time, just go to the analytics page, click on watch time, and this is the progress of the watch time for the last 28 days. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that I have a YouTube online course that you can get access today for free. Inside this YouTube basics course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with your YouTube channel. For example, how to create your channel, verify it, edit your channel name and banner, create your logo. You will also learn how to create content and upload it to YouTube. For example, how to make an intro for a YouTube video, how to write scripts, how to record laptop screen, and many things. Video optimization and management is also included. Inside it, you will learn how to replace audio in a YouTube video, how to add a link in a video description, how to add a subscribe button on a YouTube video. You will also learn how to grow and manage your channel, technical and security settings, and integration and external sharing. To get access to all of this today for free and also these online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial, the last 28 days. And from this list, you can see or select the last 90 days. Now this watch time is for the last 90 days, and you can also select between the last 365 days. Now this watch time should be the same that we've seen from this Earn page, and you can also see the lifetime watch hours, and you can select the watch hour or watch time per year, per month, or for the accustomed date. And this is how to see your watch time for a YouTube channel. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.